Stainless steel. Height, 2. Mouth diameter, 1/2. Ideally used with flasks. Great for filling hip flasks without making a mess. SE is proud to present our stainless steel funnel for flasks. Do not miss out on a precious drop. With this convenient funnel, pouring and storing have never been so easy. Important: avoid getting counterfeit items. Genuine SE products come with our SE logo on the packaging. SE products are quality items for extremely reasonable prices. SE is committed to providing the customer with the best source for value possible on the market. You will enjoy the quality, function and usefulness this stainless steel funnel for flasks has to offer. SE is a registered trademark protected by US Trademark Law. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing contraption. This takes the cake. Never before have I had the ability to take liquids from a large container and easily and cleanly move them to a much smaller container. This device is futuristic looking and performs well. It has a large opening on one side and a small opening on the other. It didn't come with any instructions, but I experimented a bit and was able to get it to work after an initial mishap. Tip: put the small end in the small container instead of the other way around. When you pour out the liquid from the big container, it fills up the bowl of the device and then, and this is the part I haven't figured out yet, it somehow moves seamlessly from the device into the smaller container. It sort of, I don't know, funnels it in, if that makes sense. All in all, this is sleek modern gizmo really is a treat to use, and no batteries either. I'm guessing it's powered by radioactive decay or solar power.